Okay, so today is a different type of day because today we're going to do something different. Remember that trailer I towed all the way back from Georgia? Well, yesterday, the individual that it's being assigned to, I got with him and we talked. So this is going to a electrical guy. And so he told me everything he wants inside of it. We're going to be working on that today. So I'm headed into the shop and I'm excited because I love fabricating. If there's one thing that I really enjoy, of many, but this is one thing I really enjoy, is fabricating. I love taking metal and wood, putting it together and making something, creating something, you know, because it's like really satisfying for me. But yeah, headed into the shop and we're gonna make some cool stuff. Yeah. Company. So let me tell you a story. The story is, this place used to be right across the street, right there. And now it's moved across the street over here. The person who owns it happens to be a lady. This lady used to work for this man. When this man decided to shut down the business, she was like, wait, I'm gonna be left without a job. So he left the property. She moved back into across the street, but she rented literally like not even a quarter, like an eighth of the property. She bought very small items that they used to sell of steel and materials and metal. She started to work out of a Connex container. She had two Connex containers. One was her office, the other one was like where they would store the material. Long story short, fast forward, I think it's been like 10 years. This lady now has 25 employees. She pays them very well, takes care of them very well. And she's expanded. Like, I just went in their office and they don't fit anymore. This place is a really good place. It's called Ram Steel. If you ever have an opportunity, you need anything, they got some of the best prices in town. And that's why I buy material from her, because I love a story of success. And definitely if it's a woman, you know, to see a woman go from where she was at, but now to see her where she's at, that's impressive. I love stories like this. It's like a Cinderella story. But headed back to the shop, gotta offload, gotta plan this thing out. Really gotta think about how I'm gonna do this, but I have some ideas here. We'll put them on paper and then it's just gonna happen. Magic. So here we are. Brought the trailer back. The whole trailer. I'm inside the trailer now. The trailer I actually brought back from Georgia. We're gonna build some shelves right in this area. We're gonna put a front table there. We're gonna put a rack on the top up here for a conduit. We're gonna build this thing right here where spools are gonna line up so when the electricians pull their wire. That look cool on the camera. It looks like, I don't know, like a jellyfish. Anyway, so back to where I was saying. Why was my hand stopped? But yes, pull the wire. But first, we need to make a plan. Can never start a project without a plan. Okay, here it is. Because every great project has to start with a drawing. It's my truck. This is the inside of the trailer. Pretty much basic. It's not giving many dimensions, but you get the idea of what's happening. Look, I taped it inside the trailer. Is that cool? So that way when we're looking at that, we know what we're building back over here on this side. coming along. I love fabricating, man. It's like the best thing to get something, you know, like a piece of metal, bend it, cut it, shape it, and opens up the creative side of the mind too at the same time. Although this is not being very creative, this is being very simple, but yeah, definitely. It's a lot of fun. So almost done with this trailer. Built a microwave rack. Gotta cut this right here. Ended up doing a power strip. This is a battery charging station. They put their battery chargers, keep the batteries right here. Ended up doing a rail system. You can see you got a ladder hanging there, extension cord, shovels, rakes. Over here on this side, got these containers. You pull them out. They have storage compartments. You got this space right here, and this is just for tools. This one down here, I had actually made it for milk crates, something very simple. You could put, I believe there's 8 milk crates that'll fit right here. His door has to go welded right back here, and then this will open. The reason why, because this is where we're gonna lay in conduit. It's about 10 foot 3 inches, 10 foot 4 inches. The conduit's normally 10 feet long, and then check this out. Built this little rack thing so they could put their spools. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spindles. And then that way they could grab the wire and just pull it off the back. When it's done, they could roll it back up. It's really amazing when you actually stop and use your mind, like become creative. If you work in an environment where you're given the freedom to use that, it just helps you grow. It just, you know, just helps you move forward. But yeah, there's so many things that we can do, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't think I put a lot of thought into this, and I'm a big critic of my work, and I personally don't believe this is my best work. I've only had a day and a half to build not 1 but 2 trailers. I'm gonna show you the other trailer next door right here, and I have to have them done today. So this is like, by the time I'm done, I would have invested about 16 hours of my work. 2 8-hour days. But yeah, definitely helps out writing the plan out first and then just following the plan. But let's go check out the other trailer. This is the other trailer. This rack is way bigger. You see that? This one's like 10 feet long. Same thing, it's got one down here to put milk crates, open tools, to lay down all kinds of stuff. This is gonna take these type of cases also. Right up front in this area right here, I'm gonna build a really cool table, put their microwave, other things going on. Plan to have this one done also today, but yeah, the other day I was working, it got hot, it was hot. Gotta wear this really thick shirt. It's like a Nomax shirt. It's actually made to not let the sparks while you're welding or grinding burn you, because it becomes very painful after a while. But yeah, almost done with this one too. A few little minor touches here and there, and then that one's done. We move into this one, get it done.